Welcome back to the Adobe live stream, and we're live. And as you can see, there's a lot happening here on the table. We're troubleshooting a computer that just won't start. Poor Jing. Hello, Jing. How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Hey.
Hi.
So hello everybody in the chat. Welcome back. We're trying to restart the machine, which just won't start. So we're like trying all sorts of things. Yes, and that's because it is, of course, the night shift with Jing and Rufus.
Do you really need a computer?
Yes.
Yeah, you need a computer.
I can download it to yours.
No, don't worry. I'm kidding. We'll find a way.
Yeah, we'll find a way.
I can sing and dance.
Yeah, we can sing and dance.
Okay.
Okay.
Yay!
Actually, we need Jing background.
Oh, the Jing background. Yes, of course. There we go. The beautiful infographics. And I can't wait to see how this is going to go on today, Jing.
I can't. Yes. Oh God.
Okay, let me think.
Yes, Mr. Curious, we're doing everything we can to fix the issue. And basically, this is something that never happened to Jing. It just happened today.
So it happened today.
Yes,
Very
at
bizarre.
10 p.m. Central European Time, live from Paris. There's always something happening in the Adobe live stream. So, basically, just as a reminder for everyone, if you're watching this, yes, thank you. What did you do? Nothing. You know, it just happened. Hey guys, yes, it will be fixed. Everything will be okay. I'm a very positive person, so I have no doubt that things will be okay. Or, you know, Jing is very wise. She saves everything in the cloud.
Everything's on the cloud.
So if all fails, Jing can use my computer.
Yep.
Downloading everything from the cloud.
I think you can start downloading.
I can start downloading?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it just won't work?
No.
Okay. All right, so let me just close a few things here.
Mm-hmm.
And Jing will be right with you.
What's the name of macOS now?
Mac OS. Which operating system do you have?
What's the name now?
Now, I mean, I have
El
El Capitan.
Capitan.
No, El Capitan is the previous one.
think it's
The
the
new one
latest
is Sierra.
Sierra.
I think
Okay.
so.
Yes. Oh, you have Sierra?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna try
Alex says pour some coffee from the
from what?
pour
Yes.
some coffee on the keyboard to work it out.
Okay, I will let you sit down and we'll work on it, okay?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome,
Thank
Michael.
you.
So basically, what we're going to do now, and we're gonna keep this view for just a second
You
because
can have a macaron.
Okay.
what? Oh yes, please do
Oh, wow.
like a macaron for you.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh, thank
Just
you.
enjoy a macaron. And basically, what you want to do is download the files, right? So where do you want me to go?
Just go to Google Drive.
So drive
Yeah.
dot google
Mm-hmm.
.com. Okay. So let's log in as another user.
Yeah.
So I'm going to sign out and use another account. Okay. And I'll let you do that.
Okay. Yeah.
You have, nobody's watching that. Nobody sees your screen.
Don't worry.
Only Wirecast sees your
Where's
screen
at?
here.
At.
The at it's
it's a little bit-
that's like an added thing that you work a lot with keyboard shortcuts, right?
I know.
Yes.
It's-
Well, it's gonna be hard because I have an Italian keyboard.
Oh. Everything is. Oh,
No, not now.
okay.
Not save the I don't want to save. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, it's the night shift. This is why.
Have
Yes.
you watched a TV drama on Netflix called Midnight Noodles? It's very interesting. And it's like a noodle bar that only opens in the midnight.
Oh. At midnight it opens.
Yeah,
Ooh.
at 12 o'clock.
That's the noodle bar we need.
Yeah, exactly.
Mm-hmm. All right. You have all your files. You are so organized. This is a lesson for everyone. Keep your files in the cloud.
Okay. Download.
Can you download the whole folder?
Yeah. How do you right click?
Right click is
Yeah.
control click.
Oh,
And download.
Yep.
Okay, perfect. Preparing download. Oh, it's zipping the file. Very good. So yes, I was saying, this is a lesson for everyone.
whoopsie.
Yes, keep everything everywhere. Anything can happen. Not only on the night shift.
Hey, that's Yukai. It's a friend of mine, Yukai.
Is it very heavy? No.
It shouldn't be.
No.
No.
It's preparing the download,
Okay.
zipping the file
And then where is it downloading at?
in my downloads,
Okay.
but I can then take it out and
Okay.
but it doesn't look like it's doing it. So let's also try which ones do you need? Okay,
This one.
this one here?
Yeah.
Okay, to start with. Okay, let's download this
Yeah,
one.
Creative Cloud, right?
Scanning for viruses. Stay on page. I don't want to leave that page. Do I need to leave the page?
You should.
Maybe. Ah, there we go. Okay,
Oh.
this one is downloading.
Yeah.
Then do you need this one here?
No, that one.
Do you need the color palette? No,
No,
because you
it's-
also already
yeah,
copied it
yeah.
here. Let's download the brief because the brief
Yes.
is always nice to
Yes.
have, right?
Yes.
So let's download the brief. Oops. Scanning for viruses. Boom. All right. And also the sketch because I think the sketch is a nice starting point,
Okay,
right?
yeah.
Okay, you want the sketch too?
Yeah.
And download. All right, so the zipping thing doesn't quite work here.
I have a few other stuff in the stuff folder.
Oh, in
as
the
well.
stuff folder,
Yeah, that
okay.
I was going to talk today.
All right.
Yeah. So maybe can we download the whole folder? Maybe like.
Okay,
doing
let's
something like
let's see. Stuff folder and download.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if it works. Somehow it doesn't download the whole folder. It's doing something strange here.
Okay.
Oh, Ricky, you keep a copy of all of your files at your mom's house. That's
Oh.
a very good idea. Yeah.
We can start with the other one first. Right?
Yeah, I'm gonna cancel this download. And do you need all of those?
Not these. It's just mainly the furnitures we want.
Oh,
to
just the
look at.
furnitures.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I guess
okay.
we can go online. to
Oh,
have
we
a
can
look.
we can look at these like that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I can leave that open. What
You can
else?
maybe you can close up.
I can close this.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And let me just check the downloads. And let's.
Illustration.
Yes. And so basically, I'm gonna make a folder here. Will be right on my screen, guys. Just a little bit of patience. So downloads, and let's see that by date modified. So it's sketch, brief, and illustration.
Oh, Adam asked how I made a pattern on the lid of a dim sum. It's actually just on just make that pattern and then you can create a pattern really easily in Illustrator and then you can just map it on top of the lid. So the pattern is it's just like two rectangles maybe put together. So well, it's hard to describe it without a computer.
Let me see if your bamboo connects.
Yeah.
Or if we need
should
some
be.
kind of a driver. Do you have your pen? Do the thing.
Yeah. Magic.
All right. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe we need a driver. let's see if I have the... Just one more second, guys. Oh no, it's not pressing anything. So let's just see if... Otherwise, can you work with the trackpad? Nah, it's difficult, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's
maybe
see.
I'll go to
Wacom tablet. Let's see if we have the driver is a problem. There is a problem with your tablet driver. Okay. Reboot your system. No thanks. We're not gonna go down that route. How can we do that?
Is it really that bad?
It's really bad.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it's really bad. Maybe what I can do for you is to... Okay, I tell you what. Let's use my iPad.
Okay.
Just gonna go get my iPad.
Thanks. Oh.
Hein? Non. Ah ouais? Ouais. So, should we try to get the drivers?
Mm-hmm.
Fast. Yeah, okay. So, let me go to Wacom. We're troubleshooting here, people. Bear with us because, everybody needs to see how Jing works on these things that we have in the back here. Wacom Drivers, here we go. There we go. And let's see. Mac OS. And this is...
Oh no, it's a bamboo. It says...
Oh, drivers for previous generation. Okay.
Yeah.
And the bamboo here.
Yeah.
This one. This one here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So Mac OS, download. Can you hear the noise of Jing's computer restarting and restarting and restarting? Okay. So let's try again. Let's just put it in here. And then I think you'll be all set.
For the night shift.
For the night shift. I agree with the conditions. Install.
Oh, thanks, guys. Sorry that you had to wait.
Well, I hope we can fix your computer.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, it's already happening something here?
Yeah.
Ah, because it's a touch one as well? You can touch it?
Yeah, it's a touch one.
Okay. Oh, where's your pen?
Yeah.
Can you see? Oops.
Alright.
Installation was successful. Close. I don't think I need to restart.
No.
Let's just go to the system preferences. Wacom tablet. That's the...
Yeah, I think
it's this one here?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, sorry.
If it's not that one, it's the other one.
Oh,
there we go.
Yay.
Okay.
Hey.
So 95%. Okay.
Something's working.
You're right-handed, left-handed?
Right. I'm holding it right now.
Okay, perfect. The pen, touch options. Okay, I think... Try it.
Yep.
Is it working?
Yep.
All right. Okay.
Yay.
Woo!
Woo.
Let's quit that. I'm gonna close a few windows for
now
you.
I can have a macaron.
Now you can have a macaron because we are celebrating. And so this, we can leave these on because okay, here's your furniture.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, your furniture inspiration.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna open the files for you.
So just to say, this is a Rufus computer. So if anything dodgy, it's not mine.
Ooh, it's nothing dodgy on my computer. So let's see. And I'm also gonna open the brief.
Mm-hmm.
Control click. I'm gonna open it with preview. Okay. And the sketch JPEG.
Mm.
I'm gonna open it with preview as well. Okay, so you can just move from one to the other. And Illustrator is here. I can close Font Maker, Font Self Maker.
No, it's fine. As previous.
Okay, let me just reset Essentials so you see everything.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and
Here we go.
Adobe Cadabra.
we are now live.
The night shift.
I have to say that with a smoother voice, like
The Night Shift. With Jing and Rufus.
Macaron is very sweet.
All right,
Thank you.
here you go. All right, so let's move the macarons out of the way. Let's move the computer to you. There you go. And let's do it.
Hi guys, sorry about the delay.
Yeah.
And then thanks Rufus, that was a quick fix.
No, you know what? Thank you, Jing, because you had this because you saved it in the cloud.
Yes.
Yeah, otherwise we would be stuck. We would have to start a whole new project.
That
Yeah,
means
or eat macarons
yay.
for 2 hours. All right, let's do it.
Yeah. So we're gonna do some coloring today, and then we're also look into some finishes. It's always nice to look at finishes because I thought I really like getting inspiration from finishes. Just the design of it is really inspiring. And also we can look at some of the latest, like this one, which I really like. And you see the legs is really intricate and it's really interesting. It's very contemporary. So like you can see, I've got this chair at home as well, and you can see all the lines is very smooth and very, very modern. And so that is really, really helpful for our design. So this is a typical Eames chair. And then, so why are we looking at furniture today? Because I think a lot of our design elements is very closely linked. So I think a very good piece of furniture always helps to make our work stand out a lot. So we're going back to our illustration. So you can see. So we are going to coloring today. Oh, this is a bit tricky. Found it. So you can see we have a lot of furniture element like this one, the desk, and then also this one can be improved as well as the bed, also the kitchen table, and mine is a chair, and also a few other stuff as well. So trying to make our picture look as contemporary as possible.
I'm just opening the chat on here as well.
Okay, yeah, and just to quickly see how the color is going to look like in our new background, we're gonna go to our floor file, which is here. So we can just use Shift X, the shortcut, to just reverse the color from background to foreground and from foreground to background, so it's really quick. You can just see it. So we just randomly, because we have our previous palette already, so it's quite easy to do that. And then we're gonna swap this one as well. So just quickly see how things go. Whoa. So it's not too bad, is it? The color now is not too bad.
Yeah, it's still based on your color palette.
Mm-hmm. So it's kind of working okay.
Uh-huh.
We're going to ignore this one for the moment. Oh, I can see Kevin asking, can you give insights about your idea finding process of your illustrations? So what kind of research you do? That's a very interesting question, actually. A lot of the times we do look at what kind of a fun project that will capture people's attention, for example. And I had a recent project, it's about Utopia. So which is I always thought when I was a kid, I always thought that I might have like a fun house for all the kids to play with. So we're gonna have a slide inside, we're gonna have like a swimming pool inside, we also can be in a train as well. So so it is something to look through your sketchbook when you were younger, so it's got loads and loads of inspiration. It's very helpful as well. And sometimes movie helps a lot as well, and sometimes like doll houses, those kind of things, like there are so many things, but you just need to have time to think about it. I need to have time to achieve it.
And yes, Count Zero is asking, can you show the brief again?
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Just yeah, you can go into. No, it's open here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yep. Brief is having a smart home system, and then you're gonna explain how those information works with this smart home system. And also, it's gonna be a single sheet with loads and loads of copy. Here you go. So much spinning. Sorry, I'll stop.
No, I was filming you with the GoPro.
Oh.
Yeah, so there was a.
So we are filling in the object bit by bit.
Object by object.
Yep. How does iMac look like? Can't remember now.
The what?
iMac.
Oh, how
Yeah.
it's made?
No, I just can't remember the color.
Oh.
Which one is darker? Which one is chrome? Which one is? I can't remember.
Yes, Dorina says Jing is a true ninja with the pen,
Oh.
the stylus. And Kent is asking, do you ever use a 3D program for your illustrations?
I do. I can't tell Adobe, but I do.
Oh, what is it? Cinema 4D?
Yeah.
Ah, yes, everybody does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's easy actually.
And you know,
But not all the
there's
time.
Cinema 4D Lite in Creative Cloud together with After Effects.
Mm-hmm.
When you install After Effects, there's also Cinema 4D Lite. So that's very good to start learning Cinema 4D. And it's in the Creative Cloud.
Oh, also, if you're using the color guide, you can see this shade is actually go kind of a little bit ugly, isn't it? So, but you want some nice darker shades of it, you can change the mode back to RGB, so all of a sudden it becomes like a true darker colors of the shade. And also, what I usually do is changing the guide option into a little bit more shade. So, yeah, it's much better.
Oh, Julie said, that's really cool. I didn't know about the shades.
Ah,
Yeah.
now you know.
Mm-hmm. That's what these streams are all about. Insight into Jing's mind. How she works. How she gets there.
Gets to where the shade.
No, to no, how you get there, how you produce your ideas.
Wow.
No, that was an affirmation. It was not a
Oh.
question.
Okay.
Yes, that it's great to see how you get there. That's what I meant.
Okay. Cooler. Yes, a lot of colors actually from Cooler. I really like that app, and I explained it yesterday. That is super convenient. Sometimes if you look for something that's for a specific kind of a mood, like New Orleans and also like New York, not just city. Sometimes like summer or like winter. What color is winter? So this is almost like an Eames chair.
Also, Kent says, Cinema 4D Lite is a great hidden gem. I used to learn Cinema 4D. Now I moved to the full version. Yeah, I mean, I think it's a really cool thing, way
Yeah.
to start. You know,
Exactly.
like to get a feel of it, to see how does this actually work. You know.
Also, you don't really need to learn the full program all of like in one go. You can just do like step by step, and then you create a brief for yourself. Once you master all the things you have, you can just move on. So you don't really need to know everything.
Yeah, and Eric, the color guide is actually built into Illustrator, and it's been there for quite a while now. I think CS4 maybe. Lamont is asking, do you use Adobe Capture for color palettes sometimes?
No.
No.
Yeah, Martin does.
Martin does.
Yeah. I'm lazy. Oh, that's pretty much like Eames. Almost. One thing I like to mention though, a lot of designers like to go very, very detailed about all the elements. Sometimes it's just not necessarily, because when you zoom out, it's actually can't be seen because the detail will be lost. Oh, which is the minus this one. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a different keyboard.
Yes.
Sorry,
To make things more difficult for those of you who have just joined, we were experiencing some issues with Jing's computer, so luckily she saved all her files in the cloud, so we were able to download everything we did yesterday to my computer. But the downside is that my computer, because I live in Italy, it has an Italian keyboard.
And you can see Rufus here.
It says Rufus up there, yes. So actually I'm doing some pretty cool design right there. See?
Oh, I don't hear that restarting sound anymore.
No, we don't hear the restarting sound, and I just want to show everybody that we're actually troubleshooting here, so yes, see there's
Jing,
Michael over there.
do you think that your disc was full?
It's never full. No, it's never full. It's never full.
Sure.
It's only a computer I've used like to watch Netflix. Yeah, it's very new as well. Oh, color's not bad, is it?
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. A little bit too kiddish. Like a lot of clients don't really like too vibrant. They don't really like the colors to be too vibrant because they thought it's a little bit too childish. Especially corporate companies like Samsung, they just want everything to be just one color and monochrome and pretty much. And sometimes they just use photographs as well. So maybe we're gonna turn it down a little bit.
Well, Adam, yes, this could be a very clever advertising for CC libraries and Creative Cloud files, but truth be told, it was all on a Google Drive. Yes, Carl Hid, I do speak Italian. Oh, Evil Cerise is answering. Yeah, the colors look really nice, Hugo says.
Hey, thank you. Maybe a little bit too dark.
Denise is asking, have you ever had color constraints, like have to work with just 2 or 3 tints? If so, how does that affect decisions during sketching? You actually had, I mean, we showed some examples yesterday where you had to use specific colors, right?
Yeah. And yeah, but I would just always leave the color stage will be the color stage. So it doesn't really affect the concept stage, which is the sketch. So it's not conflicting with each other. And we can always go back to colors and make a change. And sometimes got a very different result as well, and sometimes can look really good. So it doesn't really matter really. Keep going back to dark blue.
So Jeff, what did Jing do yesterday? So on adobelive.com, there is a nifty little tab down below on the right that says replays. So if you want to see the whole process of where it all started, we looked at Jing's notebook. She got the sketch into Illustrator, started tracing all of these elements, and then yes, today we're continuing with that illustration. And basically, it's a fictional project for Samsung home
Smart home system.
Smart home system.
Mm-hmm. So we are making a pattern for the bricks, which is gonna be interesting because it's got lots of nice little details. So here you go.
Oh, thank you, Robzilla, for the replay. I hope you're not driving, Robzilla. You got me all worried yesterday.
Who's driving?
Yeah, he was texting and driving.
Whoa!
Yeah, no,
that's naughty.
That's not good. And Robzilla says, "Wave at me, Jing." So yeah, you can get away from Jing and from me. So Frank, she's using a Wacom bamboo.
Yep.
And not one of the newer ones, right? Just like
Yes, legacy one.
legacy one.
Such a nice term for it, for anything that's dated. How is it looking now?
Oh, Julie's actually watching the stream with her 11-year-old boy or girl, I don't know, and the 11-year just said the bricks look sick, and that's a huge compliment in kid speak. Yeah.
Let's bring more bricks.
That's so cool. So Julie, you're watching the stream like in a family. That's cool. Yeah, so guys, if you want to send us pictures of your setup while you're watching the screen, I know many of you are watching the stream on either a TV or a second monitor or a mobile device. Yeah, make a picture of that and send it to Twitter using the Adobe Live hashtag so we can check it out. We had a really cool one yesterday of a whole office.
That's
like
Ava.
Yeah, Ava, yeah, watching with her whole team around a conference room, watching the stream. That was super. It's an 11-year-old boy. Okay. Hi, Julie's son. So Nico, I can answer that for you. Yes, she uses a stylus more than a mouse, but she uses the stylus more for pointing and clicking. Not so much for drawing, right? Sometimes.
What do you count as drawing?
Like painting, digital painting, and things like that. No, okay.
Ah. Feels like driving someone else's car.
So Benjamin says, "Hey, wait, how did you autofill that brick pattern?"
Okay, I'll do
Let's
that again.
do it again.
Okay, so this is nothing before, and then you use one, press I, and then you bring up the color kit, and then select on this one, and it's done.
Sorry?
So, for example, this is
because you created a pattern.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then so I just click on here because it's the same
pattern
on the facade.
Okay.
On the
So
front
how
door.
did you create the pattern?
Okay. You were talking. I was creating it.
Yes, I was talking. I talk too much. People were listening to me, not watching you. So, no, just kidding.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so this is a brick. We're going to make pattern. It's very, very useful. It will make your building looks really cool. And use brick by roll. And you press this one, and you can make the borders go a little bit bigger. You can control the border really easily. And it's done. So you have a white brick now, and then you can delete it. and then it's in your library now.
And
Super handy.
Super handy.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's so many things that you can do with the pattern tool.
Yeah.
So Prometheus Reloaded, which Wacom would Jing recommend? Well, whatever works best for you, I guess, right?
Yeah, it all depends on your habit, really. I always use brick because it makes the building looks very interesting, and it's got very subtle details, and it's not full on, so it's very I don't know. I just like the kind of the old look of it, of the wall, so it make things look so much nicer. And you say, oh, can I go on to the Safari? If we go on to
Oh, Eva says, somebody told me my name was mentioned and I'm finally out of meetings. What's happening?
Hi, Eva.
Hi, Eva. We loved your picture from yesterday. We were talking about that.
Oh, so you can see these pictures of type of Guangzhou. It's got some really small details of the bricks on it, so it makes the picture looks very interesting. So it's all about the details. And I also really like the color of white. It's not really color, but I just like using white a lot.
Oh, it pops out.
Yes, it's just so nice.
Oh, you know.
Wow! Wow!
Michael did it. He fixed Jing's computer.
You're the hero of the today.
Yes.
What did you do?
No. What happened? Now you need to tell us.
I had to repair the startup disk. I
Oh,
was confused.
the startup disk was confused.
I had to go in repair mode.
Ah, all right.
Wow.
But so, what do you want to do? Do you want to stick to Mike? I mean, you're feeling. You look like you're comfortable
I'm
on my
liking
computer.
your computer now.
All right. Okay. But you know what I'm gonna do, Michael, is actually.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah, because there's things. There's Julie who actually posted a picture of.
Yeah, let's use the iPad.
Oh, you
Yeah.
can use my computer.
No, that's fine. I can do that on the.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow, that was lots of sweat.
Yes. Right. So now you can relax. You know what? Jing? Have another macaron.
Thank you.
Yes.
Merci. Merci.
And I'm just gonna move over to my iPad very quickly because there's some stuff happening here. There's Dorina who's watching on her portable computer. Oh, we see the bamboo there as well. Well, thanks for sharing. Dorina, Zorro here, working in After Effects and watching the stream on what appears to be a tablet.
Very organized After Effects
Very
file.
organized, yes. That's a very organized After Effects file, yes.
My husband will love it.
Mm-hmm.
He hates anybody who
What is
doesn't name
this?
their layers.
What are you eating? You're
Wow.
eating junk food,
Yeah.
but good stuff. Is that Skittles? I love Skittles. Can you find Skittles in France? Yes? Oh. And here's Julie and her boys watching the stream.
Oh no!
Hey,
Hi,
Julie and
Julie.
boys! Thank
Hi.
you so much for watching. And then there's some of the posters here. Okay. Oh, right. Well, then we'll look at the other things. But let's continue working with Jing for a while, and then we can look at some of the postcards.
How's the colors?
I have
Now?
other stuff to fix in the building.
Okay. So, all right. Okay. Go fix the AC.
Maybe later.
Merci, au revoir.
Oh, the arena. Okay, the night shift energy boost. Yeah, that's right. Lots of sugar is needed for. What a stressful beginning.
My bad.
No, it's your computer's bad.
Yeah.
Yes. But like I said, Jen saved the day because she saved all of her files in the cloud.
And Michael. And your computer.
And Michael saved the day because he fixed your computer.
And your
I saved the stream because I could download everything on my computer.
How is the illustration now?
And Mr. Curious says, Jing, how about a red and orange cat?
Orange cat.
Red or orange cat?
Red and orange. Maybe yellow.
Yeah.
I don't know. Need to go with our color palette.
Yes.
So we're not going too far off. So it's not going to be too wild. So maybe even dark or maybe white. So we'll see. I feel like
So India is asking, I couldn't watch yesterday. So if you couldn't watch yesterday, if you want to watch the replay on adobelive.com, there's a handy little button down at the bottom right that has all of the replays of these streams. This is a 3-day stream. We're streaming 8 hours per day with 4 esteemed guests. This is the night shift, or
As we say, this is the night shift with Jen and Rufus.
yes. Because the night shift. Why the night shift? Because we're streaming live from Paris in France. And in Paris, France, right now it is 20 to 11 p.m. Right? And we're streaming until midnight. So for the next hour and 20 minutes. This is why it's called the night shift. Yeah, Janet, you thought Michael was some kind of manager at Adobe? I didn't realize he was the maintenance man. Good one. I think Michael is listening to us. Like he's walking around the office like fixing stuff, but listening to the stream in his earbuds.
I keep changing the colors a lot.
So Tomoyo65, yes, videos for starters. I would always start in the help menu in any application that you're trying to learn. On adobe.com, there's a whole bunch of training material as well. So that's where I would start, and for the very basic stuff. And then, of course, there's very good online courses. We often mention lynda.com.
Oh, Linda's pretty good.
Yeah, Linda's good, right? And yeah, like whenever I have time to learn something, I actually, like get my Linda stuff and look and listen to it and learn from it, a little bit like the streams, right?
Yeah.
But it's more structured, okay? There's no crashing computers on a lynda.com course, or there is no lamp going on fire like we had in San Francisco 2 weeks ago, and we didn't know where the fire extinguisher was. Thankfully, Michael knew how to turn off the light.
Oh,
and we
Michael
were Michael again. Yes, even in San Francisco, he knows how stuff works there. So basically, so suddenly this lamp started burning above us, like making smoke, and we were live. Suddenly, Michael comes with his with a big ladder like behind us, like a green screen here, and and fixes it, and so Michael fixed that too. And Skillshare, Lamont, that's right, Skillshare is good too.
And my computer.
I'm gonna have a macaron too. I need some sugar as well. So let's see. This one looks very evil.
I think the best way to learn things is have a personal project, and then also set a goal that you're not sure if you can finish. When I started learn Cinema 4D, I think I was trying to make a burger, and then it was so difficult, and it just I wasn't sure if I could make it. So eventually, and then just bit by bit, and eventually I just made that recipe.
Yep.
So it doesn't really matter if you can use that software or not. It's just one way or another. So because my skill in 3D is not really that good, so I always use like lots of Photoshop and lots of Illustrator to just make it up for it. So like for example, lighting is always really rubbish, and I always turn to like the pose work and to make it shine and make some shadow go over it. It doesn't really matter if you can use the software. Like some people are super nerdy. They just want to go to the bottom of the issue and trying to sort out from the fundamental reason that I have to use the 3D, the lighting to get it sorted. But is in a lot of time it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
As long as it gets there, and then it's the project, it's the concept that actually matters.
Evil Series, I think it was definitely one of my streams. So I was the host. I think it was one of the first one of the stream on day 2 maybe. Yeah, that could make a pretty cool animated GIF. Rufus freaking out because of the fire. No, Carl hid. Rufus eating a macaron without offering one to Jing. Jing has been eating a whole bunch of macarons before because of the stress of all this computer stuff happening. And I just needed a macaron because it's the night shift and I needed the sugar.
To keep you awake.
Hey Ray, welcome to the stream. Yeah, Lamont, that's right. Lamont says, I love everyone here.
Oh,
there is a lot. No, there is a lot of love in this community, I have to say. Yes.
The design.
All very good people.
Arty people.
Yeah.
And they are always loving the society. And then they are the one who changing the world. And they are the one they're not going to give up to lots of like the big corporation and all the big guys. They are always the one challenging. Just my fault, because I like London. London is full of artists, and everyone is really, I don't know, they really do care about the society.
Yes.
Because I grew up in China, and then people, they kind of just care about their own things. They're not really about what's happening in the country, but and I migrated to England, and I found out that English people were not all the people surrounding me. Maybe I'm living in a bubble, but they I think, really care about the society.
You know, there's always these two sides, but I find that we creative people, you know, who care about the arts, who care about culture, and like education.
Banksy is a very good one. I love his work, and almost like most of his works got incentive or got a reason behind it why he created this piece, and sometimes all of a sudden wake up and there is a Banksy work just outside where you work, and so it's just amazing.
Rich Lee says, looking awesome so far. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, it's building, and this is something that Jing mentioned yesterday. She doesn't focus on any specific area of the illustration. She jumps from one room to the other and like does something here and then something there, and almost magically, suddenly the whole house will be done.
I think that's just like maybe like live sometimes. Live is. Sometimes you have a creative block in here, and then you go out for a walk, and you come back. Yeah. So you're just doing random things, it keeps things fresh.
Miguel is asking, where did you learn how to do that with your pen?
like that.
I guess, yeah.
I think when I was in the primary school, we have like a contest with other kids.
Oh.
And then we can do lots of rounds and see whose pen not flying off.
Oh, wow.
And then I kind of got addicted to it. So whenever I have something like a pen in my hand, I just couldn't help it. Even though there's sometimes like expensive stuff, I can't remember what it is. It's like I can spin a remote control as well.
Yeah. Well, now you know it's so fashionable to have these fidget spinners. Did you see those? Well, my son wanted one, so I got one. I have one here somewhere. It's basically a spinner that you hold in your fingers and you go, and it spins, and you can like.
Sounds interesting.
Yeah.
Sounds interesting.
Yes. Do you want to see the fidget spinner?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Well, let's wait for Michael to come back and.
The magician. How do I pick colors? It's from cooler.
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 Well, it doesn't call cooler anymore. Now it's called color.
Why?
Yeah. Right.
Why?
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 Why Adobe? Why
I'm
did it go from cooler, which was you know what cooler came from?
It's I always thought it's a standalone company. And then
No. It was always Adobe Cooler.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh, cooler.
But it wasn't meant to mean it's cooler, like cool. It's actually the French word.
Oh.
Couleur.
Ah.
Yeah, cooler. Yeah.
That's interesting. I'm just calling it cooler anyway. Camera. Pen keeps dropping. Okay, so maybe I should do a tutorial on pen spinning.
Yes, right. Maybe you can have a 3-day stream about spinning stuff. Yeah.
Keep practicing.
Oh, Ray, you just joined the stream and you're learning the hard lesson from Nightbot. Nightbot is our automated system here in the background. It's running. It's a bot, and Nightbot doesn't like all caps.
Oh.
Yep. This is why everything looks so nice in the chat.
Hard.
No all caps. Nobody's screaming.
But what happens if you type OK?
What do you mean?
Like if somebody says OK.
I think like somebody typed yes.
Yes.
See, so I think there's a limit to the letters that you can.
Oh,
do,
Simon, you're totally rebellion.
Yeah, Simon is a rebel. Simon
Against
Latham.
the
Yes,
system.
he you're fooling Nightbot tonight during the night shift with 3 capital letters in a row. Wow.
Sometimes something's weird, like it doesn't have any color, but it just yeah.
Oh, weird. Yeah.
Yeah, Adobe, you're watching this.
Well, I'm watching, so. Can I see the appearance panel a second?
Oh, this.
This one here, yeah. So it's got a stroke.
Yeah, now it's got a stroke.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just because I just disabled it, but didn't have a stroke before.
And now it doesn't have a stroke, but it's still colored. Is there an object behind? Is it 2 objects?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So finger pointing at Adobe here, Jing. Yeah. Adobe fixed something that's not broken,
How is it looking?
Okay, Latham. It's not Latham. It's Latham. Simon Latham.
Yeah, always.
So Eva, you want more streams. So okay, so there's a lot of streaming going on here at Adobe. My team, for example, is is Terry White, Jason Levine, Paul Trani. They're streaming almost daily on our Facebook pages. Depending on what the topic is, they stream on the Creative Cloud Facebook page, on the on Premiere, on Audition, on After Effects, on various things. And every Monday and Friday, my team also streams on the Creative Cloud YouTube channel, so check it out. And remember that the only way to know when we are live is actually subscribing to the Adobe Creative Cloud YouTube channel and hitting that little bell icon and making sure you get alerts whenever we're live. And we have big plans for streaming, so stay tuned. So Cooler, well, it's not called Cooler anymore. Now it's called Adobe Color, and it's in Photoshop and it's in Illustrator. Basically, it's an online community of color.
I'm sure you can still call it Cooler.
Yeah, we can call it whatever we want.
But it's really cool, right?
Yep.
And you have so many nice color scheme as well. Okay, we're gonna make a rug to make it nicer.
Well, Lamont, that's a good question. Will there ever be streams solely on InDesign and print design? Sometimes, in these graphic design streams, we touch InDesign. We go in there, we create layouts with our guests. I don't think it necessarily has to do with a specific application. Like when we asked Jing to come, we didn't say can you use Illustrator? No, we said use whatever you use. Right? Did we tell you something? No, right? So it could have been a surprise. Like maybe she used something completely different. But
maybe
no.
I'm gonna just show I'm using Cinema 4D.
Exactly, yeah. No, but we had streamers doing part of their work in Cinema 4D. Yes.
Not bad, is it? I think anyway. Oh, I want to show you a real.
Oh, wait! Before we do that, let's see. There's Kevin H. Schneider.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, let's reload.
Not bad.
Wait, look at that.
Better than me.
Wow, this stream is all about that. And back to you, Jing.
Okay. I just want to show you a real project of it's also for Samsung. It's Home of the Future, it's not smart.
Oh, okay.
So this is a real project.
Wow.
And it's got lots of maybe I'll just enlarge it. Lots of details. Like this one is automatic barbecue.
Oh.
And then you have a cinema room. No, this is a VR room, and you have like automatic wardrobe to see what color you feel like and what weather is currently it is, and then what kind of clothes you might be wearing. And then this also has got like something smart window, and then it's got lots of automatic laundry, and it's got my digital bike, and so there's a cinema room. So this is more of a crazy project, not the one that we're currently doing, but it's a kind of it's got a very vibrant color scheme that they really like, so which is fine. So not always corporate companies are after boring colors, so sometimes they want something fun as well.
Oh, Simon Latham is asking, do you ever use the perspective grid in Illustrator?
Yeah, I do. I have another one. Maybe I should show you. That one looks like a 3D, but it's completely from Illustrator. So I thought it's a good example to show. Or maybe it's on the other. For example, this one is completely Illustrator.
Completely Illustrator.
Yeah. So you can't really tell, right? It's still my work, and it doesn't really matter if it's 3D or not, is it? But to be honest, if I use 3D immediately just for the texture and just for the shadows, it's not really for, because I can't really use 3D that well.
Yeah, I've met quite a few illustrators now that actually use Cinema 4D to get the basic 3D shape, and then use that either in Photoshop or Illustrator and trace it again just to have the correct shape.
Yeah, exactly. You don't really need to use a specific tool to get to somewhere. That's the thing that I got a lot on Behance. Looks really nice. What software do you use? What do you use? What do you use? It's very simple. Everybody uses Illustrator. I mean, it's not really the software. It's your idea, and it doesn't. You don't really need to focus too much about techniques. I think sometimes it's more about what you're thinking, what could be really nice. Sometimes hand drawn is really nice as well. I think anyway. How's it looking now?
Yeah, it's looking more and more complete.
Getting there.
Ray Cousin says, Jing, even if you use cooler color, you make colors work so well with each other.
Oh, thank you.
But that's why you use cooler, is to have these palettes of colors that work together.
Because it's just easy, like straightforward. Sometimes you spend ages and just finding the right hint for a combination with other colors. So if all the others you just look at them straight away and you think which combination works the best for me, which combination and that combination. But I don't always use the exact one. I just pick, oh, that blue goes really well with the yellow and that goes really well with the red. But I'm sure some other people, they have their own method as well. But it just sometimes for me it's so much quicker. and I don't really mind using lots of colors as well, as long as it's great. But I really do like people using strictly only 2 colors or strictly only 1 colors. Like Malika, she only uses like 3 or 4 colors in one illustrations, which is really, really nice. So yeah, that will do as well. Bit fussy about this rug and the floor. Shall we make some pattern on the floor?
You could.
Let's see if it's going to be messy or not.
Did you vectorize from a sketch? Yes.
Yes.
Maybe you want to show the sketch very quickly.
Okay.
And
It's here.
oh, it's here. Okay.
Yeah. So everything's on my canvas. Here you go. The cat is still blue, somebody said.
Yeah, the cat will be taken care of. Don't worry about the cat.
I'm just leaving the cat for the last thing to do, just to annoy you.
Yeah. So accurate TM, where to learn graphic design? Well, there's so many ways to start learning about graphic design. Of course, I think the best way is to go to a school for various reasons, because you get access to teachers, you get access to other students who have the same passion that you have, and you can share your ideas. And the school provides also all the material that is necessary, for the design education. But of course, there's a lot of great designers who've never been to a design school, who have learned in other ways, and basically that really depends on your passion for design and on how much time you want to dedicate to the actual learning process, and that learning process has really a lot to do with the time you spend practicing and doing the things you like, the things that that you want to do in your creative career. So yeah, it all starts with little projects. That's what you mentioned too, right? Like personal projects.
Like a burger, for example. That's well, it's my stuff.
Yeah.
Like a burger. I think I'm going to do some cocktails later. Well, not making it, I'm into the illustration.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to see, because I don't really know how to use how to materialize liquid.
Yes, it's
very interesting. So it's going to be challenging, but yeah, watch my Behance, and then it's going to be a cocktail menus.
Well, you see, Jing is actually one of the more entertaining illustrators you've had on the screen.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I have to tell everybody that, Jing was very concerned about, before the stream, she said, I'm a silent person. I don't talk a lot. You're going to be talking a lot, Rufus.
Person.
Yes, but you can't say that you're not talking.
Oh, my husband would disagree.
Is he here today? I haven't seen him yet.
Oh, maybe he's not here. Oh, what a bastard.
It's pub night tonight.
What a bastard.
So Yele is asking, you have with so many. I'm gonna sneeze.
Bless you.
Thank you.
This is the night shift.
Ooh, okay. So yeah, so many shapes. What is the best way to keep track and structurized? So I noticed, I couldn't help but notice that you don't use layers. Which actually I noticed very few illustrators use layers in Illustrator because it's so easy to keep track of the elements because they're either in front or in the back, and
Yeah.
and
You just
and
grip them.
yeah, and
You just use
if you
grip.
group them, it just makes a layer. So Illustrator in this case is really super easy to organize things, I think.
Oh, I'm Mr. Curious. Computer drama. Oh, sorry.
The computer drama. Is your computer off now?
I think so. Sleeping.
Okay. Oh, it's sleeping. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for for the sneeze. And I don't know what Michael is fixing right now, but he's not here, so I'm just gonna stand up very quickly and get me some water.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm just gonna go down in the cellar.
And I'll be hosting the show. It's just me.
Just
Whoa.
you, Jing. Just you.
Whoa.
It's-
I'm gonna talk lots of rubbish.
It's your show.
My show. I'm the MC. Oh, James is here again.
Oh, you must have heard us.
Yep. Oh, lots of people. Blesses you.
Oh, yeah. And James must be freaking out. Says, what? You see, I told you Michael was listening. Yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
shall we do a giveaway? I don't have access to.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's do a giveaway. Yes, because this is a night
Whoa.
shift, and yeah, it's
You
been an
deserve it.
interesting. It's been an interesting night
You
shift.
deserve it. What color? Red or blue? For the rooftop. Red or blue?
For the rooftop? Oh, you have to wait 30 seconds. There's a delay. There's a delay in the chat. So,
Okay.
this is something that we have to get used to. Like when you ask a question, first you think, oh, what? Nobody cares? It's going to have to be red or blue. And then suddenly, red, blue, 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 whatever.
Oh, Thomas says Ruth is going to send macaroons as giveaway.
Nah, we can't do that.
It's not going to be fresh.
No, macarons have to be eaten on the day they're produced.
2 days max.
2 days max.
Red,
And
blue, red,
and they
blue,
should never be put in the fridge, right? Is that one of the rules?
red,
No.
blue, red, blue.
Ah, there you go. You see, you have all the answers.
Oh, hey. Red. I'm really counting it. Yellow. That's an interesting answer. Blue. Blue looks better. Yeah, it's consistent, isn't it?
I think so too.
You think blue?
Blue.
Okay, blue.
Everybody says red, but we're gonna go counter current. We're going to ignore the chat for this decision, okay? I am the hovering art director here, and I want it to be blue.
Fair enough. Wow, somebody shouting red.
Oh, shouting red. Oh, but yeah, no all caps.
Oops.
Oh
Sorry.
well, red is winning. You know what? We have to give the people what the people want.
Okay.
This is called democracy. So it's gonna be a red roof.
Ugh, can't even look at it.
Yeah, right. No, it's
Right?
No,
It's
come
the
on,
wrong color.
guys.
Come
I
on,
mean,
guys.
Command Z. No.
Okay. Keep it for now.
That's easy. Don't revise.
I can send it.
No problem.
Actually, blue. See, I think
Okay.
Blue's better.
Yes.
right. I don't know now. Where the blue?
All right, so this is a tricky one. This is a tricky one. Are you ready, guys? So, you know the basic rules, of course, for these giveaways is that I will be asking a question, you will be giving the answer, and our automated system, Nightbot, will pick a winner out of all the right answers, okay? And just one thing to know here is that if you are a subscriber to the Creative Cloud YouTube channel, which there's a link down below on the left of the screen on adobelive.com, subscribe to the Adobe Creative Cloud channel because that gives you 5 times more chances to actually win in these giveaways, all right? 5 times more, like quintupling, is that a word? Quintupling?
Quintupling.
That should be.
Quintupling. I just made up a
Works
word.
in French.
Yeah, it works in French. Everybody understands. Quintupling your chances of winning. So guys, what is the shortcut in Illustrator CC to enable or disable GPU preview?
Wow. I
Whoa.
wouldn't even know that.
Huh?
You're not really trying to give away.
This is a hard one.
Quick, look it up from the internet.
I thought you were gonna go in the menu and look at the shortcut. Don't do it just yet.
Okay. Nah, not going to spoil it. Spoil
No,
the
let's not
fun.
spoil it. Does multiple chat messages increase the chance? Well, no, we have a filter for spamming, so I think if you do it more than 5 times, you're out.
Oh, I can see lots of Windows users here.
Yeah, that's interesting too. Yeah, a good mix of Windows and Apple users.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, I love these subdued colors, like these pastel color when you're going into isolation mode,
Oh, really?
right?
Let me see. Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah.
So, yep, that's a whole bunch of right answers. Bravo. Yes. What? Nightbot, give us a winner now.
Knossos.
So the winner is
Knossos.
Knossos. Knossos, like the Knossos Palace in Crete. No, but that's Knossos. So Knossos.
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 Knossos. Knossos.
What you need to do is to give, you've just won yourself a 1-year subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud. And what you need to do is to
Whoa.
give us your Twitter handle here in the chat on adobelive.com so that we can reach out to you and give you all of the information you need to actually claim your prize. So congratulations, Knossos.
Congratulations.
And those of you watching the replay, because some will be watching the replay, and this is kind of funny because sometimes I watch the replays just to see people in the chat, and they would go Command E, Command E, Command E, and nothing happens, you know. And,
Because it's a replay.
It's a replay, yes. So just just always check: is this thing actually live or is this a replay?
I watched the replay of myself
Oh yes.
and then trying to control my labs. I
Oh.
just- yeah, but I just couldn't do it. So I just try to not laugh so hard.
Oh, okay, all right. So Knossos is Knossos on on Twitter too. Congratulations, Knozos.
Whoa, we are almost there. Almost there. Still got the phone to do, but we are missing some icons and some interface of the phone, but that will be for tomorrow.
Okay.
So today we're going to refine all the details, and then we'll look at the furniture, haven't we? So see what we can do to put some design and furniture to make it more refined and more contemporary.
Yes, and we're leaving the cat for last.
Just to annoy some
Just
of
to
the
annoy,
people.
just to annoy the people in the chat. The cat for last. Ariel says, you have the best laughs, Jing.
Ah! Thanks. People are always nice.
So, Dom Sketchcast, you're a professional animator and illustrator with broadcasting experience. How do you all find people to feature on the show? Well, various ways. People we meet, people we find using Behance. I think we came across you over Behance, I think. Jing, right?
Yeah,
Could it
Behance.
be? Yeah. And then, interestingly enough, also people we meet here on Adobe Live and who are in the chat. Like a good example is next week I will be streaming here live from Paris in German. And one of the speakers is actually somebody who's been active in the chat, and actually somebody who's won a Creative Cloud subscription. and then I stumbled upon her on Behance. And I said, oh, I know this name, or I know this avatar, and then it turned out, she's longtime follower and a participator here in the on Adobe Live. Yes. Oh, the table in the kitchen? That's what you're doing right now?
Yep, I'm going to do some chairs as well.
And Clemens is asking, are you going to put some patterns on the floor?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
But the living room is very colorful and might just messes up. So maybe some patterns in the studio, in the study room.
So WH2K15, you thought you were the first to comment. It doesn't matter. Because Nightbot doesn't look at who was first. It just looks at all of the right answers and randomly picks a winner. So random, we have nothing to do with it. Oh, Carl Hid. I thought my press the rocket icon suggestion was creative enough to win. Yep, but we asked for the shortcut, not the button. But yes, that's a good answer. There's a button. You see the rocket button here?
Yeah.
That's where you turn on GPU preview.
Oh yeah. I always use CPU though. It's because I don't know, for some reason it just has some like blurry lines sometimes.
Okay.
So,
Yeah. There's the cat song. And now I want to hear the cat song. I've never heard the cat song.
I want to hear it too.
Yeah, let me see if it's too late.
Cat song is very short.
Yeah, I can hear the cat.
Oh yes.
Yeah, it's freaky, huh?
Oh, it's the cat's turn. I'm living in the last. Have you heard of a song that really is a cat song?
No.
It's like a very long. It's like 11 minutes of a repeat of the same tune.
Oh.
And
of
they
the
just
cat.
the meow. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It's called. I can't remember what's it called.
Well, let's let
My husband would know. James would know.
Okay.
The cat song. It's called Meow Meow Meow.
Meow meow meow.
Meow Meow Meow.
Chat
James
go
would
well.
know. Yeah. Are there
If
any?
James is still here.
I think so.
Oh, there he is. Neon cat.
Oh yeah, neon cat. You should look it up.
All right.
It's mental. It's mental.
Neon cat.
Yeah.
That's so British. It's mental. I haven't heard that for such a long time.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought that was a normal term. Can you hear it?
Let me see why the volume isn't going. Yes. Oh, that's why. Okay. Ah, I can unplug it for a second. That's the graphics. All right, enough. Oh. Okay.
It's on the loop for 11
Thank you,
minutes.
Jing. Okay.
11
Great.
minutes on the loop.
All right. Yes. Let me bookmark that. Oh. All right. Back to the chat. Rufus must be terrified. Yes, I was pretty terrified. Yes. Yes, and this, of course, only happens on the night shift.
Oh, Simon's leaving. Thanks for watching, Simon. See you next time. Maybe tomorrow.
Bye, Simon. Latham. Now, maybe we'll do another giveaway for the hovering art director tomorrow, maybe. But the thing is, we need to find where they are first. I think Paul got one today in San Francisco.
Oh, Rockstar says at birds flying above the house. No, I'm sorry.
No, that was not in the original intention. Jing is a very precise designer.
Next time.
"25 more minutes, Jing."
Oh,
Yeah, you keep on working.
Okay.
I'll keep an eye on the chat.
Okay.
1 a.m. in Saudi Arabia, but I can't stop watching. Julia Estebar.
Show it tomorrow because of the job aspects of Jing. Oh, do you have Twitter on that?
Yes?
I think you have some competitions.
Competition.
Yeah.
Oh.
But like, what you do with the pen.
Oh, spinning.
Oh, we saw the spinning. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Very impressed.
Yes, from Kevin. There's also a picture from Conrad. I'm just going to show Conrad very quickly. Conrad showing his setup. Hello, Adobe Live, watching the stream. Thank you, Conrad. I love that. Why haven't we done that before, Michael? Ask people to send us a picture of how they watch the stream. It's so cool.
So cool. They all be great.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try some pattern maybe. Or is it gonna be very confusing? I don't know.
Oh,
Let's have a
Misil,
look.
that's great feedback. Thank you that you enjoy the Make It videos with Paul and Brooke. Oh, add a pattern on the bathroom floor, maybe?
Okay. Yeah.
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea. I'll do that.
And Angela is saying, the cat! We said the cat would be last.
Okay, I'll do the cat next.
Huh?
I'll do the cat.
Yeah, don't worry, guys. We'll do the cat, okay?
Oh, I know. Sorry, that was a fair meeting.
We'll just make little squares and make a pattern.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's a good question, Christopher. Is somebody watching the stream outdoor or on a smartphone or tablet? Outdoors. Well, I know for sure that Robzilla is because Robzilla actually drives and watches the stream, which I'm not sympathetic of. And in Europe it's night now, so there's... but in the US, of course, you know, could be nice outside. Crisscross.
Yeah.
It looks like little... No, I think the little white dot in between was kind of cool.
Yeah?
Yeah. It looks more like tiles.
Yeah.
Like a tiled pattern.
Yeah. But it's not quite straight. Oh, I know.
No.
It's not square. Oh, that'll do.
No. If it's not perfect,
Okay.
it's not worth showing.
Okay.
That's what I was taught at school.
Okay. It's not quite straight. That's why.
Oh, Drew is saying it's very nice outside in Seattle. Yeah, it must be. What time is it in Seattle now? Oh, 3 p.m.
Interesting.
Yes.
Oh, it's a bit Art Deco.
Yeah, no, it looks good. Oh, very nice, Munir. You're watching while you're working on coding a front end of musical band website. Awesome. Oh, 2:30 in Santa Barbara. Yeah. West Coast is 2:30. Do you agree?
Cat.
Oh, 5:35 in Charlotte. Hey, wow. So I was in Charlotte once, and it was so humid that my watch broke. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Like it was a super Swiss watch, so super quality, but it was so humid. Humidity got in the watch, and I had to return the watch. And thank God it was a guarantee. But
Wow.
yeah, Charlotte, North Carolina. And Julie, yeah, Julie's, I think.
Oh, somebody's watching from Holland.
It's late in Holland. It's the same time as here in Paris.
Wow. Night there.
It's the night shift in Holland. Yep, Julie was watching with her boys, so Julie's cooking right now and watching the stream. So cool.
Okay, blue cat. Okay.
Boom.
Okay. Texas. I was in Texas last year. London, yay! London. London.
Yeah, Texas is cool. I've been in Austin and Dallas.
Oh, did you go to Fort Worth?
No.
It's pretty cool, and then they have cattle. They have I don't know what's it called, because we went to the old stock market.
Oh, okay.
And, so they have the cattle show, which is like they just brought lots of cattle every day just for you to have. They have a big horn, super big one. So it's really cool to look at. They just run all over the street.
Italy here, ciao muy. That's also the night shift.
New Mexico, I was there as well. New Mexico is very pretty. I really like.
Oh, Missile says blue cat. Yay!
How is it looking now? Not bad, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it's a little bit too crazy.
Too busy, you mean?
Definitely the blue cat, right?
Yeah, the blue cat throws everything off.
Okay, black.
Yeah.
Got some crazy idea. I'm not sure if it's good or not. You can see I'm trying a lot of things because I haven't done this illustration before, so I'm not really sure if it's good or not. Just keep on doing loads and loads of experiments.
Oh, these are the dots to like
they're
show
gonna highlight.
the pieces.
Yeah, exactly.
Is there any way to improve graphic design skills? Accurate TM, we talked about that before, and basically, like I said, to improve your design skills, it's mainly practice, because practice truly makes perfect. Well, I don't like perfection because perfection doesn't exist, but it makes you better. Okay, so practice makes you better.
Agree wholeheartedly.
Angela di Napoli, ciao. Watching from Naples, Italy.
Oh, that's my friend's boyfriend from Naples. Yukai's boyfriend, Sao. Hey. I hope they're watching. Where's the finders?
The what?
The Pathfinders, I think it's called.
The Pathfinder?
Yeah.
It must be right here. I just saw it.
Did
In the
you?
menu? Yeah. No. Window? Pathfinder, yeah.
Oh, yes.
It's in alphabetical order.
Okay.
But the night shift breaks Jing. It's too late. What are you doing? This is great.
Yeah, I'm just destroying it.
You're destroying it.
Yeah. Don't worry.
No, I'm not worrying. Gute Nacht, Bettina. Bettina Frenzemeyer. Good night to you too. And remember that next week we will be streaming in German from Dienstag, Mittwoch und Donnerstag von 10 Uhr bis 18 Uhr. Jeden Tag mit deutschen Gästen auf Deutsch. Auf adobelive.com. Bettina Frenzemeyer. See you next week or tomorrow. No subtitles. It'll be exclusively in German. But we have many people actually watching the German stream, even if they don't understand anything, because there's such cool things happening there too, you know?
Yeah.
What exactly are you doing?
I'm trying some
I'm
new
wondering.
things.
The chat is chatting, but I'm wondering.
I'm trying to. What I'm trying to do is create some highlight.
Mm-hmm.
So this one will only reveal.
Oh.
I said I wasn't sure. I'm just see if it works. So this one will have a highlight.
Oh, to mask?
Mm.
To create a mask. Okay.
Yeah.
Even Jeff says, "What are you doing, Jing?" Antonio. No, we're not going to do any Italian streams in the near future, but who knows? Chissà.
didn't work.
Julie says you forgot the office one.
The office one. Oh yeah.
Oh, there's something in the office happening as well?
Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. Yes.
Oh,
Thank you, Julie.
I need to redo everything.
Oh, Julie's paying attention. She's cooking. She's watching the stream and giving advice. Multitasking.
And parenting.
Yes. And parenting. Come on, guys, there's only 10 minutes left for this stream, so whoever is chickening out now, that's pretty lame, okay? Because this is the night shift, and you're chickening out 10 minutes before the end of the stream. Don't do it. What do you think? What do you think about that, Jing? People saying, "Oh, good night, I'm tired, I'm leaving."
Completely disappointed and
yeah,
gutted.
we're so disappointing, so disappointing. We're here. It's almost midnight in Paris, and you guys say, "Oh, I'm gonna go sleep." Hey Ryan, welcome back from lunch. So yeah, there's been a lot of progress here. Crazy stuff.
This circle is pretty mental. Oh, sorry. It's pretty crazy.
Oh, you can say mental.
Okay.
That's so British. Somebody from the
Turn them down.
US probably wouldn't understand. What does she mean by mental?
They would just say, pretty awesome.
Oh, it's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. Pretty awesome.
Oh, Kevin, yeah, we could do that. Do you want to go on for another hour? Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you see that look on her face? Nuh-uh. It's not gonna happen today. that was a scared look. Oh yeah.
Well, especially after the computer drama.
Oh, Adam Fox says we get it when they say mental. Okay, all right. I thought it was so
Make
British.
sure you can repeat
Thank
all
you.
these.
They understand, but it sounds uber British. Okay. All right. Sorry.
Sorry, crazy. I mean, okay, this is the last tricks I'm going to show apart from pen spinning. So I'm going to unlock all the things. I'm going to select the whole thing so I can still change colors.
Yes, this is one of my favorite tools.
So it's, well, I thought it was secret, but you can see all the
You thought
colors
it was
actually.
secret?
Yeah, I thought it was my secret.
Ah, your secret.
Yeah. Oh, my
I love this tool.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Great minds
The
think
Recolor
alike.
Artwork.
Yes,
please
yes.
show your secret.
Okay, so if you don't like it, and then you can change most of the things as well, and then you can keep. Oh, I will just put it exact. So it's going. What we need to redoing it because just exact.
I love the random button.
Yeah, me too.
The random button
This one?
is crazy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is mental.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's bonkers.
Bonkers. So we can just. Ah, this one's not bad. Pretty cool. Even with the new colors.
Yeah, I mean we can do a full hour of stream just pressing these buttons. Right?
Yeah. But I'm happy with my choices.
No, it's not the color changer, Zorro. It's called the Recolor Artwork tool. Yeah, but I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan of the color changer.
Yeah, me too.
Yes.
Okay, so that's it for today.
Okay.
I guess.
Wow. Oh, yeah. Well, we still have a few minutes, but let's take these few minutes just to go over the few things that. It was a rocky start, like with getting all the tech working during this last stream of the day. But thankfully, it's the night shift, and everybody's really chill, whether it's daytime for you or not. It doesn't matter. It's a night shift for everyone. And basically, just a few reminders. There's on adobelive.com, there's a few buttons at the bottom right of the interface where you can have access to the schedule for tomorrow. And let's not turn it on because then it's and anyway, you have the schedule for tomorrow. We're gonna be back with our 4 esteemed guests. There's also a button to download a template, which we invite you all to download on adobelive.com. It's a template of a poster that we invite you. It's a very pretty boring template. Nothing much happening there, but there's a few elements that we want you to play with. Add your own type, your colors, and make it beautiful. Make it like something you would appreciate, and post that to Twitter using the Adobe Live hashtag. And on Friday, Michael Shez will be selecting 30 winners out of all of the submissions we get during these 3 days of live stream. And there's a plethora of prizes ranging from Creative Cloud subscriptions for a year, some of them including Adobe stock credit, and also printouts. So who knows which poster or artwork we're going to print out at the end of the week. We have so many cool things happening during this graphic design stream live from Paris that we'll have a very hard time choosing which one will be printed and given as a prize to our followers here.
Whoa.
So so a lot of things happening. Remember that we'll be back tomorrow for day 3 of our live stream here, live from Paris. And Jing, we're going to be together for the last night shift tomorrow. And I can already tell you that at the end of tomorrow's night shift, you're going to be saying, what am I going to do now? More streaming, please. Yes, and I'm super excited to see what's going to happen with your illustration here. There's still few things that need to be added, right? We're going to be adding some text as well, I think, to make
we're going to make icons.
The icons on the phone. So a lot of stuff happening. So people in the chat, thank you so much for sticking with us on this day 2 of this live stream, and thank you for participating in the chat. You guys make it real, all right? If you weren't here, there would be no sense. All right, so people around the world, I wish you good night, good day, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to us.
How do you say good night in French?
Bonne nuit.
Oh,
yep.
That's difficult.
And there we go. And bye-bye.